Hey, welcome to my channel. So I recently got done installing this cabinet build project, and the lower framework was already in this person's bathroom, but I needed to do the raised panel doors, the drawer boxes, and all the drawer fronts. And so since I was going to be installing it in their house, I wanted to make sure that I didn't run into any issues, not knowing how square the cabinet was going to be, things like that. So with making the drawer boxes, I planned on making them slightly undersized so that I could shim them if needed. I ended up not needing to use the shims, but I made this little tiny box of drawers that I purposefully undersized so that I could demonstrate what my plan was and how handy these little shims are. So the framework of this was just a huge walnut drawer that a friend had given me that's been just laying around my shop. So I decided to make a bank of small drawers to be able to store a few little pieces, use up the extra poplar from this project that I ran out of storage space for, and be able to make a video for you. I ordered a cheap set of drawer slides off of Amazon, and I got a complimentary glove. I'm not sure if that's included in every pack, but it was in this one. The drawer slides are okay, but the screws are totally crap, so just throw those out right away and you'll save yourself some headache. What I love about these shims is that they're marked on each shim with what size they are, and as you can see, they come in a variety of sizes. And they are far less frustrating than trying to put a washer behind the screw or something like that. Since I purposefully undersized these, I ended up needing to use a 16th inch and a 32nd inch shim in order to get just the right sizing. Normally I wouldn't undersize it this much, but I wanted to make sure that I needed shims so that I could demonstrate this. So I'm going to go ahead and get both screws started, and you just don't want to tighten them down all the way. If you do, that's fine. You can just loosen them with a screwdriver. I probably could have made them a little bit tighter than I did here, just so there's no risk that the shims could fall down. But the cool thing is you're just going to put these directly right over where the screw is. And so again, instead of trying to get like a washer or something behind there, it's really quick and easy to do. I forgot to mention that these shims are called auto alignment body shims. I'll put a link to the exact set that I was using, but there are several options to choose from. All right, it's always a relief when the drawer works right. I selected soft close for this, not so much for the soft close feature, though I do always enjoy that, but mostly because it's going to be underneath my planer where there's a lot of vibration, and I didn't want the drawers to be able to work their way open. Now I was one piece of poplar short for being able to have all the drawer fronts come from poplar, so I used one scrap piece of walnut. I couldn't decide if it should go first or third, right in the middle, but I ended up putting it first, and it's fine. It's just for shop furniture. So I was very pleased that I was able to use up a bunch of lumber that I didn't have storage room for and gain a little extra storage in my shop. I used up some old handles from my very first house. It was nice to see those back in action, so I'm happy with this little cabinet. If you are enjoying my work, please like and subscribe. I'm going to try to be a little bit more regular with posting videos again.